everyone, my name is Maria Paul. Welcome to another episode of Sharda Darshan. Let's take a look at the headlines. Webinar by Lions Club International conducted. Vanshika Tyagi and Saurabh Tyagi cleared VSSF Inquisitive Advanced Test. World Radio Day celebrated. World Social Justice Day observed. Now, news in detail. A webinar was conducted by Lions Club International for our students on 11th February.
The main topic of discussion was tips and techniques to prepare for board examinations. The webinar was insightful as the experts shared their experiences and discussed various issues related to the youth. Special focus of the session was on various mental aspects regarding examination and how to cope with them effectively. The webinar was very valuable to our students.
Vanshika Tyagi of Class 10 and Saurabh Tyagi of Class 6 cleared the VSSF Inquisitive Advanced Test.
The exam was conducted by Vikram Sarabhai Space Foundation. The exam focuses on science and basic IQ test. It is a highly competitive exam which includes science, logical reasoning and analytical thinking. We wholeheartedly congratulate Vanshika and Saurabh, who are siblings, for their meritorious achievement.
World Radio Day celebrated on 13th February.
13th February World Radio Day. ഈ റേഡിയോ എന്ന് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്നെപ്പോലുള്ള ഒരാളുടെ മനസ്സിലേക്ക് ആദ്യം വരുന്നത് ആകാശവാണി, അതായത് ഓൾ ഇന്ത്യ റേഡിയോ എന്ന് പറയും. ആ ഒരു തലമുറ, ഒരു പഴയ തലമുറയുണ്ട്. ആ തലമുറയിൽ ഉള്ള ആൾക്കാർ കേട്ട് ഉണർന്നത് സുപ്രഭാതവും അവരവരുടെ വാച്ചുകളിൽ സമയം അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തെന്ന് പോലും റേഡിയോയുടെ സമയം വെച്ചായിരുന്നു.
The celebration happened in a splendid manner with a live webinar with RJ Neenu of Big FM and interviews with strong pillars of school, Professor C.P. Jayashankar, Group COO, Adishankara Group of Institutions, and Dr. Deepa Chandran, Principal of our school. They shared nostalgic memories related to radio. RJ Neenu explained various aspects of commercial radio channels and gave sufficient information regarding career opportunities and scope in the respective field.
World Social Justice Day was observed on 20th February.
It is the United Nations designated day. The theme of World Day of Social Justice 2021 is a call for social justice in the digital economy. 5 key principles of social justice are access to resources, equity, participation, diversity, and human rights. We prepared a video tribute explaining all these features of social justice.
Thank you everyone. That's all for today. See you all in the next episode. Until then, stay safe and take care.